You can use the shortcut, or you can do the limit. I'm going to do the shortcut first because that's what I'm about. All right, f. What is f in this one? Because I know this represents f prime of x. So what the heck is f?
X to the power of 1/3.
Yeah, I'm going with the third power, or the third root of x, or x to the power 1/3. I like that too. So this is the same thing as x to the power 1/3. And then what is my a?
2.
It is no, it's not 2. It's not 2.
8.
It's 8. That's because if you look at the second number, that is the a plugged into the function. If you guys remember the definition, it's the limit as x becomes a. And so on the bottom we have x minus a, and right here we have f of x, and then we're subtracting f of a. So those are the y values that you get when you plug the x values in. And here the 2 is simplified. And it makes sense now because if a is 8, and I plug 8 into the third root, what's the third root of 8?
2.
It is 2. So it's right. So let's go. What is f prime? F prime is 1/3 in front, and then I take 1 away from the 1/3, which would be 3/3. And what is 1/3 minus 3/3? That would be negative 2/3. So I'm going to put that on the bottom. Let's clean it up a little bit. Put it on the bottom with the 3, so I have x raised to the 2/3. And then I'm going to plug the 8 in. So f prime of 8 would equal 1/3, 8 raised to the 2/3. Now we do the power or we do the root first. Do you guys want to take 8 to the second power, or do you guys want to take 8 to the third root?
Third root.
Third root. What is 8 to the third root?
2.
Dos. What is 2 to the second power?
4.
Quattro. And so on the bottom we get
112.
Okay, here's a long way. Now the first thing you would do is you would check the 8s to see if you get an indeterminate form. If I do third root of 8 on top, I get 2. I get 2 minus 2, which is 0. On the bottom, I get 8 minus 8, which is 0. We have a 0/0 indeterminate. So, you limit experts. What would you do next?
Manipulate.
Yeah, let's manipulate. So if x minus 8 on the bottom, on the top I have, we'll say x to the 1/3 minus 2. I'm trying to think of like the easiest way to remember this. Okay, I want to get rid of, well, sorry, I might do something you've never seen before. No, yeah, it'll work. I'm going to multiply it by x to the 2/3. I don't know if this will work, but let's see. So if I multiply a top by x to the 2/3, I'm going to get 1 from that, because what is 1/3 plus 2/3? It's 1, right? So I get x raised to the 1 minus 2x raised to the 2/3. On the bottom, let's see, I get x minus 8 x to the 2/3. You know what? This doesn't work. Okay, hold on. I gotta backtrack. I don't like it. We're gonna do it by the conjugate, and I don't like the way this is written right here. All right, so we have the third root of x minus 2, and we're gonna multiply it times the third root of x plus 2.
I tried that last time.
But that won't work either.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do this. But there is a way. There is a way. And I don't, yeah. You know what I think it is? Okay, I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna tell you what I think it is. And then you guys could try it, I guess, if you want, if you're really curious. X to the 1/3 minus 2. And if you multiply us by x to the 2/3, no, that won't work either.
You already tried that in the first.
You're right. Okay, so we're done with this.